Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to look at how we can format chart elements. These are the chart elements. We have axis here. Okay, this is x-axis. This is y-axis. These are called legend. Okay. These are called legends. This is the trend lines, and this is the grid that we have, like the lines that we are getting here between in the chart. These are called grid lines. Okay. Suppose I want to format this x-axis and y-axis. How we can do it? So first of all, the elements that we want to format or the change or modify, we have to select this. Okay, you can see here it starts from $0 and ends with $900. Okay, most of the data range, if you see, it is in between 400 to 800. Okay, but we have this like 400 empty space is there. Suppose we do not like this empty space to appear here. What we can do, we can select this is y-axis that we are going to format, because the data should start from, it may be 400, 300 or 200, and we can do. So we can right click on this, then format axis. So we have, you can see, format axis. This is the fill. Okay, this is fill and line. This is the effect, and this is size and property, and this is axis options. These two, effects and properties, are not frequently used, but these are not actually attractive. Okay. So if you see this format option, first let us see. First, it starts with bounds. What is this bounds? There is minimum bounds and maximum bounds. Bounds are this. This is the range. It starts from 0 minimum, and this is from maximum is 900. So suppose I want to see this from 300. Okay, I can write 300 and hit enter. So we are getting this starting from 300. Okay, this value starts from in x y axis, 300 starts, and this is, and I want to see this for 1000, take for it. Okay, so 1000 we are getting. Suppose we want to bring about certain changes, we can write here. Okay, let us reset the previous setting, and there are units next to it. Okay, next to it units are there. Units tells about, you can see what is the difference. You can see the difference is between the grid lines. These are called grid lines. So 900, 800, 700, there is a difference of 100. Okay, this is called 100. Measure unit measure is 100. Suppose I want to see it. Suppose take for example 50. I can write here 50, then we will get it like the difference of 50. Okay, this minor is there also. These minors are lines within the grid lines. Okay, however, these are not that much important. Let us reset. Okay, then we have like there are some other options also. You can see like we have axis title. Suppose we want to give a title, you can give, and you can write the title. Okay, then chart titles. Okay, so all these things we can also see. Okay, so that's for the lessons. See you in the next one.